Hi guys, welcome to this brand new video. It's Camiforex here. So in today's video, we are going to be looking at the AMD strategy in an advanced manner. This is going to be helping you to be able to make a lot of money and also pass a firm with all the easiness that you need. So I'm going to be going right into my screen and I will be sharing with you this one indicator which have been helping me. I believe it's going to be helping you to master the AMD strategy very well. So if you are new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe so that you can support this channel. And if you like what I do, please also subscribe and share this video so that I can get to many of your loved ones. Just like I want you to succeed in Forex, they too should also succeed in Forex. Let us get right into the video. So guys, if you look right on my screen right here, what we are going to be looking at today, it's going to be the advanced lesson on the AMD strategy, how you can use it. Remember in my previous video, I promised in giving you a PDF file which is going to be helping you, and I did give that in my Telegram channel. So make sure you go to my Telegram channel and you get the PDF there. Now let us come back here. Now there is one indicator which I've been using. If you look at my chart right now, you can see these are the trades that I've been taking, and you are going to be seeing um, this green like section which has been parted out in green like that. So what this means is that I'm using this indicator called the Asian session high, low, mid lines. So this indicator is giving us the Asian session, the high of it, the low of it, and the middle of it, or the mid of it. All right. So first thing you need to do to be able to map out your Asian session is you need to look down here. All right. Let me use this tool here. You need to look down here like this. All right, where you see me having UTC plus one, you have to come here and you set your time zone to be on your own time zone. So for me, I have GMT plus one, which is Greenwich Meridian time plus one. So come right here and go to where you will see plus one. Select Lagos if you're in Lagos, or select your own time zone. If you don't know your time zone, go to Google and check out your own time zone so that you'll be able to have the perfect time zone. This helps you to know when the Asian session is going to start based on your own time zone and when it's going to be closing. So once you have this map on, the next thing to do now is to go now to indicators. Come now to indicators. You are going to be searching for this one that I have here, Asian session high, low, midline. This is the indicator here, and this is the indicator that I have here. So I have double clicked on that, so I'm now having two of them here. Now this is the indicator. I have removed it here. Remember, I spoke to you guys about the AMD, which is the accumulation, the manipulation, and distribution. So we are going to be using this indicator to be able to get our accumulation, our manipulation, and our distribution. Now, one important thing I want you to note in forex trading is that we have 7 major currency pairs. If you don't know about that, Google it on Google, you will get the 7 major currency pairs. These major currency pairs means that they are the largest economy in the world where those currencies are being used. Some of them are used for international trade, like the US dollar, the Great Britain pound, the euro, and the rest. Now, what you need to understand is that since we have market sessions, as you can see right behind me, I have my market session timer to be able to tell me the time of this market session. What you should note is that each pair is very active and volatile in its own market session. And for you to trade a particular currency pair and make a lot of money from it, what you need to have in mind is that you need to trade one currency pair which is dormant and trade the other which is active. For instance, if I am trading a currency pair like UJ, like USD JPY, Japanese yen during the New York session, Japanese currency is dormant. That means they are at sleep in Japan. They are at midnight. They are sleeping. While the USD is active. This way, due to the influence of US either being weak or strong, you can now know whether you're going to be buying UJ or selling UJ. It is as easy as that. So identify a market session which you want to trade. For me, I trade the London and the New York session. And which currency pairs are always active in this session? I have the Great Britain pound, I have the euro, and I also have the USD. Now, during this period, what I need to look at is one currency is consolidating and one currency is currently active. So this currency, which is in its active session, it's going to be telling me if I should be buying a particular pair like GJ or UJ and the rest. So what this means is that If you come on your chart, look at which currency pairs do you want to trade. For me, I would like to trade EU. All right. Now EU is Euro US, is the most traded pair in the world so far. So if I come right here and I look at my chart, you can see that my chart doesn't really have any kind of significant lines whatsoever. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be opening this indicator now. Now this indicator is now mapped on. I go to the 15 minutes time frame. Now on this 15 minutes time frame, look at what you are going to be seeing. You are going to be seeing here that this is the Asian session. Remember, this is the Asian session. And what happened? The market came up, gave all this Asian session high, came down, gave all this Asian session low, and then the market now came up, took the Asian session high. So this is now considered as the accumulation, as you can see. After it accumulated, what happened? It manipulated up and then distributed. Now, I was looking at this trade at a short term. So today is Friday and I took this trade. I made money from it, all right? It was, my stop loss was 1 pips and my take profit was just about 16 pips. It was a risk ratio of 1 is to about 16. So what this means is that if you can be able to identify when the market is accumulating, when it is manipulating, and when it is distributing. So most times the market can accumulate in the Asian session for a currency pair of EU. Now manipulate during the the London session, sorry, and also distribute now during the New York session. Now look at this here. You can see here that this candle here, that the market now came right down here, swept all of this low here. What happened with it is that it has been accumulating, it manipulated and then pushes down and it's now coming back now upward. So let us come back again to the previous day here. You can see that this is the Asian session. After the market has closed, look at it, accumulated like this, accumulated, now manipulated upward and then came down and finally pushes up. So if you are using this indicator, it's always going to be giving you one side of the market. It's not like it's perfect all the time, but if you need to understand the AMD strategy first. So look at it here. This is a trade I took the other day here. I don't know if I have a screenshot of this. If I had screenshotted this trade, I'm going to send a screenshot. I'll put a screenshot on my screen. This particular one, look at it. When I look at the date, so that when I send a screenshot, you know it was on Wednesday, 14th of February, and the time was around 11. All right. Now the market has consolidated here during the Asian session. What happened? Came up here, did not take any high, but it formed a high. Now it came down here, swept the Asian low. This is the Asian low, and after that, what happened? It pushes now upward, and after it pushes upward, the market now closed. This was a trade of risk to reward ratio 1:4.8. Now the market now started consolidating now for the next AMD session again coming up. So if we look again right here, we are going to see what I'm talking about. All right, this is the previous day again. This was on February 13. You can see this is after the market closed. Look at again, the market accumulated here, manipulated up, manipulated down, put now into this upper side, swept this up here, swept the high of the market, and then look at what happened later on. So this was when CPI news came out later on. So it swept the high of the Eastern session, swept the low. Now it came up now to manipulate it, and then when the news came, it later on sold. Now this is a trade I took. All right, this was a loss trade. It went into profit a bit and then came down, knocked me out, and it wasn't a good day to trade. It just consolidated the whole of this day. Now the next part again here is this again. You can see the way the market had accumulated again here, manipulated to the upside, and look at what happened. It pushes downward. Now if I shift it again here, you can see again here that the market had manipulated again, accumulated. All right, you can see manipulated again here, and then manipulated down and later on push up. I was lucky to get this push up. I took two trades here, this and this, and look at this one again here. You can see the market manipulated here, swept this high just a bit, came down, swept this low, came back up to this one. I took this trade and look at the way it came down. So these are the trades that I took. Now One of the things I'm going to be advising you to do is that each time you are backtesting this, make sure that you try it out to see if it's going to work with your strategy. So this is one of the best methods that you can use to also pass your perform. I'm talking about perform. There is some perform I've been using throughout this year, since this year began, and I've been talking about. So let me go and walk you through it again. You can see, click on the description of this video. You go to this platform, which is the Forexfuna, and I recommend the Forexfuna because they have good spread and they are really good, guys. They are really good. So I have a couple of accounts with them. So first thing about the platform is to read their rules. All right, profit split is 95% after you are being funded, and the trading leverage is 1:30, which is also very good, and your fee is going to be refunded. All right. Now, they allow robot trading on even their live account or their funded account. Weekend holdings, yes, you can hold your trading on weekend, but to go through their detailed rules and regulation, make sure that you go to the frequently asked questions section down here and you read all of their rules and regulations, so that once you are trading, you shouldn't lost your account, because those who won this the giveaway account, about 2 persons have lost their account already, and they were complaining that it is their fault. So one was saying that he overtraded and so on. So currently now you can see their account sizes here with their different prices. So they are running a discount for February, which I want those that didn't succeed in the giveaway that I did last time should also tap into this. So if you go to their Instagram handle, you can see February promos. Here you have 55% discount with the 250% off, which means the money in which you use in buying, they will pay you 250% of it doing withdrawal. Now 30% off with 250% refund. Now you don't have no stop loss rule, no trading high impact news allowed, so you can trade high impact news with this account. Then you have 40% off, no stop loss rule, and 30% refund. So understand their rules. When I talk about trading high impact news, it means if you have the funded account, you are not allowed to trade high impact news. If not, you are going to breach your account. This is to help you, but if you know how to trade very well and you have a fund, go for this account. So they have another where is this thing? Let me see. Okay, so let me walk you through again. This is another discount again, 50% discount, 100% refund, then you get a merch from them. So these are the coupon code here that you can use. All right, and if I go to this one too, let me go to this. These are also the coupon code here which you can use. So for our giveaway for Camiforex this month of February, I have discovered that a lot of persons are having the chance to get an account whereby they are not yet ready to start trading a platform account or start trading an account where it can lead them to life, and the account end up falling into somebody's hand that the person is not qualified yet to trade. I'm not saying that you cannot trade. It is good for you to be a giveaway winner. But look at it this way: you started learning how to trade forex just a few months back, like 3 months ago. You started watching a YouTube video. You stumbled upon my YouTube. You heard I was doing a giveaway, and you started to comment. And after all, the system picked you, not me. The system picks you randomly from our comment speaker, and then you are being given an account. Now you and I can agree that that account is of waste to you. So what I am planning on doing is that I am planning on bringing up a system whereby only those who maybe have to create an account to prove that they are a qualified trader, they can trade very well, and have to constrict them, should stand a chance to win. Like I will have to put your name on a list, and I say, okay, if you want to win this account, create the demo account of so and so size with this or whatsoever, create a demo account, trade, send me a screenshot of your trades on a daily basis for the next 7 days or 2 weeks on my Instagram or on my WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is on the description of this video. Then from there, I am going to be assessing you if you are qualified to be amongst the giveaway winners, so that I should make a minimal list of giveaway winners, so that those who are earning this account should be those that already have the knowledge. I don't want this opportunity to get wasted for nothing. There are people who really know the skills. but you need to prove it now to me. Just like prop firms will want you to prove it to them that you deserve a funded bigger account size so that you can make big money from it. Now, the last thing I want to talk to you guys about is my Telegram. On Telegram, a lot of persons has created scam group. Guys, I'll never call you to ask for you to send me money. All right, even if you want me it to be on a video call, a lot of persons will fake my face using they call it deep fake AI to create a deep fake of me and then talk with you. Now let us go through this group and you should see what they are saying. This is my official group, which I currently have 195 members, and these are the kind of things that I post on my own group, which you are currently seeing here. All right, as you can see, these are my own stuff that I post in my group. Now if you come this way here, you will see that there are numerous groups here that are pertaining to me. One is having 1,500. Now let me see if I can open this on a different page. Okay, I cannot. But now, if I open this one, we are going to be seeing that it's going to be talking of something about giving people money. Have you seen? This is not me, guys. This is not me. That is one thing I want you to have in mind. This is not me. This is not me. Look at it. Look at it. This is not me, guys. So they are now pushing a lot of scams to you, get rich quick schemes, and the rest. Doubling money, invest $200, get $6,000, and so on. Making money is not that easy. I want us to keep it real, and I want us to follow the process. So, guys, if you have enjoyed this video so far, please subscribe, turn on the bell notification icon, and make sure that you are always here to watch my videos, because I always have new things to bring to you, to share with you, just like this AMD strategy, which I'm now trying to emphasize for you to be able to use this indicator so that it should help you for you to be able to trade it too. Also, take it serious. Love you all, guys. See you in my next video. Peace.